Though police reforms kicked off in 2011, this could perhaps be the most earth-shaking phase of reforms in the National Police Service. In July, President Uhuru Kenyatta, as part of the ongoing reforms, directed Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i and Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet to come up with a restructuring plan, as well as a solution to the police housing problem. With confusion in command owing to the various senior police positions created under the Kenya Police and the Administration Police, the reforms that will be implemented within the next 3 years will see the creation of a General Duties Police that will have a linear command. While the 2 Deputy Inspector Generals of Police will remain in charge, the mandates have been majorly altered, with DIG in charge of Kenya Police, now the DIG in charge of General Duties Police, GDP, responsible for public safety and security, while the DIG in charge of the AP will now be the DIG in charge of border security and the anti-stock theft unit.
The Kenya Police Service anti-stock theft units and the Administration Police stock theft preventive units will be integrated and their strength raised to 5,000 officers under the command of the Deputy Inspector General, Administration Police Service.
24,572 AP officers will join their colleagues in the Kenya Police under the GDP, which will now have a total of 64,252 police officers.
The Inspector General, National Police Service, should also begin effecting the new command structure and implementation of the reorganization program with immediate effect.
As a result, the APs being integrated into the GDP will be trained in a 3-week crash course to familiarize themselves with the operations of a police station, since all AP posts will now be converted to police stations.
This will make the police station the center of policing service delivery under the command of the Officer Commanding Police Station, better referred to as the OCS. The mandate of the OCS will be expanded to include ward commander, commanding police posts and patrol bases within the respective area of operation, and to provide support to the national government functions.
The officers in the General Duties Police will also have their uniforms changed. But the biggest hit will be for the over 200 senior police officers who have been serving in the 12 senior police ranks that have been abolished. The posts of Kenya Police Commandant, AP Commandant and DIC Commandant in the levels of administration have been collapsed with the creation of a Regional Police Commander, the County Police Commander, Sub-County Police Commander and the Officer Commanding Station, OCS. The post of the Officer Commanding Division, OCPD, has also been scrapped.
We must eliminate overlap and duplication in reporting functions to reorganize the National Police Service command structure in conformity with the National Police Act of 2011.
As a result, police training colleges for the different departments have been renamed, with Keganjo Police Training College now renamed National Police College Keganjo Campus. The AP Training College in Embakasi will be renamed the National Police College Embakasi A Campus. The GSU College will be renamed National Police College Embakasi B Campus.
The Senior Staff College in Loresho is renamed the National Police Service Senior Staff College, Loresho Campus. 5. The Senior Staff College, Imali, is renamed the National Police Service Staff College, Imali Campus. 6. The GSU Magadi Training School is renamed the National Police Service College, Magadi Field Campus.
To solve the housing problem, police officers will in the next 3 months be allocated housing allowances in a scheme that will abolish the policy of mandatory and free housing for junior officers in institutional houses.
To effect the new policy, I also today direct the National Treasury to initiate the termination of all leases with landlords of police estates within 90 days of the effective date of the new allowances. Officers in these estates will be required to enter into private tenancies with property owners.
With a cash-crunched government and high cost of living overburdening Kenyans, the government insists that these reforms will not come at a cost, since they will be freeing up resources.
Focus of the work we have done, as you instructed us, Your Excellency, is to look at the welfare of the security sector players, especially officers of the prisons department and officers in the police force. And secondly, to have a new attention and a much more focus on the welfare and the housing of the police.
Sir, we considered this juncture, as you directed, sir, as a logical follow-on to what we have been doing for the last 3 years, in which we have been on our transformational journey that we focused on 3 areas, in which we strove to build a common culture within and amongst members of the National Police Service, focusing on improving management of personnel, especially amongst the higher cadre.
The policeman is moving to the community where they will interact with wananchi every day, and they'll be able to give even information what is happening on the ground, and this is very important.
John Jacob Kuria, Channel 1 News.